Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. Thanks to AI from Isesaki FM. The spread of whooping cough, an infectious disease that causes a long-lasting severe cough, continues unabated. Gunma Prefecture announced on the 3rd that 53 patients had been reported in the week leading up to June 1st. This brings the total number of cases since January this year to 351, the highest annual total since 2018. It has also been discovered that one of the infected people this year has died. Whooping cough is transmitted by droplets from coughing or sneezing, or by touching the mouth or nose with hands that have the virus on them. Caution is required, as infants and young children are particularly susceptible to severe symptoms.